Hi everyone, welcome to Essie Cooks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to transform your overnight oats. I've been eating overnight oats forever, but blending them up is a total game changer. In this one we're going to be making blended cookie dough overnight oats. This is like a dessert for breakfast. It's super healthy. Let's get started. So we need a blender, high-powered blender. We're going to add in 2 cups of oats. I put quick oats just because that's nice and easy, but you can use rolled oats as well if you like. And to make it all bind together and to add some healthy omegas, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of chia seeds. And then to make it nice and sweet like a cookie dough, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sweetener of choice. I'm going to be adding maple syrup. I feel like that adds such a nice flavor to this. I'm going to add that right in. Optionally, you can add in, 2 scoops of protein powder, vanilla protein powder if you like. Now to make it creamy, 2/3 cup of vegan vanilla yogurt. I'm using a coconut yogurt here. And then we're going to add in some plant milk to bring this all together. So I'm adding 2 cups of just some coconut milk here. You can use almond milk, you can use soy milk for extra protein, you can use whatever you like for that. Now to give it that little bit of a cookie flavor, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and to make it nice and creamy and delicious, 1/4 cup of all natural peanut butter. And of course my girl wants to have a little taste of that. Now all we have to do is just blend this up until it's nice and smooth and creamy. So check that out. It was a little grainy at the start, but we can see it's really nice and smooth now. We need 4 jars, 4 meal prep containers. So I've just got some mason jars here. My mom recently got me those reusable mason jar lids, and they are such a game changer. They don't leak or anything like that. I love, love, love them. And we're just going to put the cookie dough overnight oats into these 4 mason jars. Look at how thick and creamy. Now we want to leave them for 8 hours in the fridge before eating them. We are just going to top those with some dark chocolate chunks, dark chocolate chips, whatever you like there. This is cookie dough vibes, so you want to think anything you would add to that cookie. You can even add some nuts in here if you like. And honestly, I couldn't believe how much better this tastes just by changing up the texture. Make sure you stay tuned. My husband and I are about to do the taste test.
Taste test time!
Taste test time.
Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, consistency is nice. Let's see.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That's so good. I don't think I'm going to want to go back to the old way after trying it like this.
My favorite overnight oats so far.
I believe it. I think this is my favorite too.
If you like chocolate chip cookie dough and you want something healthy, look no further.